Hello friends, this is the intro I have created. So in this video I will show how to create such type of intro for your YouTube channel. This is amazing and free of cost. To learn, proceed with this video till end. First of all, you have to go to the Google. From here you can directly find the link. It's easy way. Write Fly Express. Search this keyword, you will find flyexpress.com. This is the website. Click on the link on the top. This is the website from where you can create a free intro or outro for your YouTube channel or any other video creation purposes. Click on get start for free. We have to create a free video or utilize the free option. From here you will see multiple options. You can upgrade and get over 35 templates for less than 1 month, less than for $1 per month, and also you can upgrade this package. But here you have 2 minutes option, and you can create few seconds intros, multiple few second intros, almost 5, 10 or slightly more, I think. Simply you can find free template, free plan templates here. There are multiple options, but we have to utilize free options. Here are different free options. You can check it out. I will use a picture, and I will click on this option because I have to use a picture in this intro, as I showed you in the start of my video. So this is a demo. Your intro will be slightly something like this, and here in this option you have to add your picture. This is the place for the photo, so I have to customize. Now click on this option. So this is the option, upload image. You have to choose the image which is going to be used in the video or intro or outro, whatever you're gonna create. This is also the icon I used on my YouTube channel. After attachment, you have to proceed. Click on proceed. This is the picture option, and you have also option to crop your picture. Possibly you may want to exclude some of the portion, but I will adjust something like this and click on next. And here option of text intro and final. This is a tagline. Intro means this is a tagline. I will write rather hub of tech stuff, and final, this is John Tech Talks or whatever Tech Speaks actually. And caption, you if you want to add, it is an option, but I will prefer to proceed. I will use a 720. This quality 360 is better, but I want to get the best quality. Create preview option. After setting image, text, and this option, you have to create the preview option. Here is the audio option as well. If you want to add audio file or some background music, here is also integrated option. It's better to choose this option, but I don't want to add any music, so I have to create a preview option. To check this, you have to read these terms and conditions and click on view my previews. This is the ID of this preview as well. Please note this if there are multiple previews. So this is the latest preview. I have to click or directly download this option. First I have to click on this option to see the preview. This is the tagline, and this is the picture I have added. So it's very beautiful, very beautiful. And this is the name of the channel. You can also create this. Simply close this option and directly click on download and share. And here in the downloading you have multiple options: download, SD, HD, whatever. I have to click on this option. The file started downloading. It will take few seconds actually. Let's check the final version what we have got here. This is the final intro we created.